Hello everyone, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel or if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. This is the usual weekly gold analytics. Last week, I told you that gold market is going to form M format around this area and then pull back to meet the trend line. And as you can see, the price of gold is already at the trend line, attempting a reversal of trend. So just like I told you, you can see the M format, and you can see the M format that I stipulated out last week before the price of gold will sink down. And right now it's at the trend line and also a support zone. In line with what I told you last week, the price of gold is going to test this support zone to meet this signal line too, and the fact that the marker signal line have gotten to the 100 oversold area, and the next move is just a kind of divergence to gain the strength to reverse. And as you can see, it will developed out. So right now, let me remove the arrow lines. Looking at this coming week, you will understand that the price of gold is already indicating a very strong reversal, though the process is going to take long because it's a 4 hours time frame, just like I used to tell you. When you look at this place, you will understand that the next target coming this week, by the time the market opens, the price of gold is going to test the area of 1965. Don't forget what I used to tell you about this 34 moving average, that it indicates the resistance, the minor resistance area, which means whenever the price of gold gets to it, it's certainly going to reverse back. The price of gold is going to first of all retest this 1817 area or thereabout before moving back up to 1965, or it will go straight to 1965 before making its way to continue the downtrend. I used to say it in most of my videos, that especially the video that has to do with reversal area, I've always said it that when the price of gold gets to the first oversold or overbought area, the next thing is to create divergence, and at this point it will gotten to the first divergence area. Most of this divergence used to be majorly 3-point area before the price will reverse back up or down depending on the trend. As you can see in this place, uptrend, when the price of gold was trending up, the first divergence occurred here, second occurred here, and then the top before the price comes down. Likewise in this place, you will see the same thing similar. Then at this point, we also expect the same thing. By the time the market opens, the price of gold is likely to, like I said, retest the 1817 or 20 area before going up to the 1865. It will range maybe sideways a bit and then test back this support area. So it will continue fluctuating like that until it develops at least 3 strong, even when you look at this place, 3 strong wings or divergence area before it goes back to meet the number 4 of the area 12. That is what you should expect, but then your focus is to trade by the time the market opens, to trade between the 31st multi-moving average and the current support area. Whenever the market move gets to the 31st multi-moving average, expect expect the possibility of the market to reverse back. It may take long to range a bit because of the oversold area of the demarker before reversing back. Sometimes it goes just straight. This is because the expectations on the monthly time frame is yet to complete. Not until the area the price is expected to get to on the monthly time frame matures before you expect overall reversal to up trend. So, and do not forget that the H4 just crossed. Like I said, whenever it crosses the 200 and 250 smoother moving averages, whenever it crosses, it takes very long time for it to cross back upwards or downwards, depending on where it crossed. So in this case, it crossed downwards. You should expect some certain moves towards the down part before the price of gold will revert back. So guys, the expectation come this week is just like what you can see here. The price of gold is likely to be fluctuating after the initial test of this 34 moving average. Is certainly going to pull back and probably do something like this until maybe next week, but I don't see the price of gold testing 1904 this coming week. So certainly the first thing it's going to do is this divergence area, certainly going to correct it before we expect the possibility of the price to break upwards to test the upper trend line to complete the number 4 of the area 12 impulse correction. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned. Bye for now.